Headlight bulbs renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever, located in the driver's footwell. Slide the safety catch to release the bonnet. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet stay from its clip. Engage the bonnet stay to prop the bonnet. For access, the upper section of bumper on the side where the headlamp bulb is to be renewed will need to be removed. Undo the screw on either side, then unscrew the centre rivet and remove it. Undo the headlight lower retaining screw, and then undo the headlight upper retaining screw. Slide the headlight forward slightly and lift it upwards to release the lower mounting lug. Disconnect the wiring connector at the rear of the headlight and remove the unit from the vehicle. Remove the dipped beam bulb cover. Remove the wiring connector and pull the dipped beam bulb from the reflector. Install the new bulb into the reflector, aligning the tabs on the bulb flange with the slots in the reflector socket. Push the bulb firmly into the reflector, then push the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminals. Refit the cover at the rear of the unit. Remove the cover from the rear of the headlight to access the main beam bulb and side light. Pull the side light bulb holder from place. It's mounted next to the main beam bulb holder and needs to be removed to gain access. The side light bulb can also be changed at this stage if required. With the side light now out of the way, rotate the main beam bulb anti-clockwise and withdraw it from the reflector. Remove the bulb. Insert the new main beam bulb into the reflector, then rotate it clockwise to secure it back into the light unit. Now press the side light bulb holder back into place. Refit the cover to the rear of the light unit. Connect the wiring plug at the rear of the unit and locate the headlight lower mount. Place the headlight unit in position. Engage the lug at the rear of the headlight and tighten the screw. Install the screw at the front of the headlight unit and tighten it. Refit the upper bumper panel and secure it in position by reinstalling the scrivets and screw. Turn on the lights and check that all bulbs operate correctly.